So this video is going to discuss how you can use ChatGPT to create essay feedback. So in my class, I allow students to use ChatGPT for idea generation and for revision. Now there's a third use for ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT to give you feedback on your paper so that you know what it is you need to do in order to improve your essay. So let's say you wrote an essay on time management. So here is an example essay, a 5-paragraph essay that you might write for your composition class. Time management stands as a cornerstone of productivity and efficiency in both professional and personal realms. In an era characterized by constant demands on our time, technology and personal obligations, mastering the art of time management is more critical than ever. Among the myriad strategies to navigate this complex landscape of our daily schedules, 3 methods stand out for their universal applicability and effectiveness: delegating tasks, planning ahead, and maintaining a consistent schedule. These strategies not only facilitate the optimal use of time, but also enhance our ability to achieve more with less stress. And so then here you have your thesis statement, delegating tasks. Here then you have to have a matching body paragraph, delegating tasks, planning ahead, and then you have a planning ahead paragraph, and then you have maintaining a consistent schedule. And here you have a maintaining a consistent schedule paragraph. And all of these are 3 ways in which you can save time. You can save time by delegating tasks, you can save time by planning ahead, and you can save time by maintaining a consistent schedule. And then you conclude by repeating the thesis statement as the first sentence of the last paragraph. In conclusion, effective time management is an attainable goal with the implementation of strategic approaches such as delegating tasks, planning ahead, and maintaining a consistent schedule. So then this is your 5-paragraph essay where you have a thesis statement and 3 body paragraphs that match the thesis statement. Now, if you want to have even more feedback on your paper, and how would you use ChatGPT to do that? And so what you will do is you're going to cut and paste your entire paper like this. And then you put in Control-C. Then you go to ChatGPT, and then you would tell it, give this essay feedback. All right, so that would be your prompt. Give this essay feedback, or give essay feedback, or you could say, give essay feedback for this essay. Then you cut and paste that entire essay that I just read about time management, and then you press submit or send message. And then right away, ChatGPT will give you what feedback. So this is the feedback that ChatGPT will give you so that you can improve your essay. So here it would give you introduction and thesis statement. Here is how you can improve it. This is how you can improve your body paragraphs. This is how you can improve your transitions. This is how you can improve and make other improvements. Now if I want to target a certain area for improvement, I could say, give essay feedback on grammar, essay structure, and tone. Let's say and then I cut and paste the essay again, and then you wait, and then it will give you feedback on your grammar, essay structure, and tone. And let's say you think that you're very weak in, let's say, subject-verb agreement. So you would say, give essay feedback on subject-verb agreement, and then you cut and paste the essay. And what it's going to do is it's going to correct any subject-verb agreement mistakes you've made, and it's going to tell you where those mistakes are made. And so here it will give you ways in which you can, so here it tells you where are the subject-verb agreement mistakes in the essay. And so this is a very good way to use ChatGPT. You could also ask it for better sentence variety. Give essay feedback and on sentence variety. Because a lot of students write too many simple sentences, or they write too many complex sentences. And so here, then you cut and paste the essay, and voila, you have sentence variety. And so what it is that when you're doing your peer review, and if you are in a class where you have to do peer review of other students' papers, then you can then put in here, give essay feedback. Then you cut and paste the essay, but you got to make sure to delete the student name and where they go to school. So it has to have no names. And then you cut and paste that essay, and then it will then, ChatGPT will then give you essay feedback. So this is how you use ChatGPT to give essay feedback for peer review. Then you cut and paste this peer review, or this essay feedback review, into your peer review forum, so that other students can then improve their grade. So if you have any questions about this video on how to use ChatGPT for essay feedback, email me at any time.